is an International Crew Cab Rollback with a JerrDan bed sitting here in stock. This truck is brand new. We have its twin brother in a single cab sitting here also. Alloy wheels, JerrDan bed, light bar, Bower boxes, full 4-door, cloth, 6-passenger seating. We just had the windows tinted, kept it legal though, so any state will be all right. Nice touchscreen stereo. Still got the plastic kick panel on it. It's an International CV 515 is what they call these. So you got the MV and the CV. Alcoa alloys. Clean truck, and these sit pretty low profile. You can see it next to a Ram 5500, which is also new. 800 miles on that unit. That's in stock available. As you can see, the bed height difference between the two trucks. So for your lower profile vehicles, this is a really good option. And again, we got this and a single cab in stock currently, and quite a few more of these on the way. It's a very similar truck to the Chevrolet and Kodiak top kicks. Have a few of those on the way also, but give that a look, or the Ram, or any of our other inventory on the website. Check it out anytime. Thanks for watching.